Enter ThermoTools software interface. At the top is the main menu. The first tab is File Management, followed by Picture Analysis, Video Analysis, Report Editing, and Picture Optimization. In the top right corner is Login. You can register an account on the device. Let's switch to the device interface. Open the Setting menu on the device, find Cloud Service, and enter. Click Login or Registration, then select Register. You can register using an email or mobile number. After that, return to ThermoTools to log into your account. Next is the About menu, which includes information on iterations and version updates. You can click Check for updates to upgrade the software. The third tab is Setting, which includes general settings, report settings, and watermark settings.